In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or modify a form using Microsoft Dynamics 365. This tutorial is designed to help you navigate the process with ease, ensuring you can tailor forms to meet your specific organizational needs. So let's get started. Begin by heading over to make.powerapps.com. This is your main hub for accessing and managing your Power Apps components. Once there, you'll want to ensure you've selected the correct environment. You'll find this option in the top right corner as a drop-down menu. Choose the environment that you're working within to ensure you're making changes in the right place. Next, in the left panel, click on the Solutions tab. This is where you'll see a list of all the solutions available to you. Within your chosen solution, your next step will be to click the plus add existing button and select table. This action allows you to integrate whichever data table you need to work with. You'll then be prompted to choose a table from options such as account, lead, or opportunity. Select the table that best fits your current needs, and once you've added it, go ahead and click on the table name. This will lead you to the table details page. On this page, you'll notice several tabs. Your focus should be on the Forms tab. Click it to reveal a list of available forms. These might include various types such as main or quick create forms. Each serves a different purpose depending on the level of interaction and data entry speed you require. Seek out a main form, for instance, the account main. Clicking on this form will launch the Form Designer. The Form Designer is a pivotal tool that gives you full control over form layout and structure. Here, you'll utilize a drag and drop method to customize your form by adding fields from the right pane into specific sections on your form. Beyond adding fields, the Form Designer also allows for further customization. You can add new tabs, create new sections, and even include subgrids. Whether you need to remove or rearrange fields, the Form Designer offers the flexibility to modify your form as you see fit. Once you've finalized your adjustments and are satisfied with the layout, it's time to save your changes. You have two options. You can either click save to keep a copy of your work for future edits, or save and publish to make the form live and available for use in your selected environment. And there you have it, your form is now ready for action. By customizing forms in Dynamics 365, you ensure a tailored experience that fits your organization's needs perfectly. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy customizing.